Right, so today we're going to go through some mocktail recipes. All of these recipes you'll be able to make at home. If you are out and about and you're wanting to try something without any alcohol in, speak to your bartenders and they'll be able to go through different mocktail recipes with you. So mocktail number 2 is going to be a apple mojito, no alcohol in it of course. I'm going to take you through it step by step. I've tweaked it as well so you can make this at home, but once again you can get it in the bars and clubs across the town. So using my funky glass, slightly bit too much ice, I'm going to add a couple of limes slices into the bottom. You want quite a bit of lime juice within a mojito, so once again I'm going to use my muddler, but at home feel free to use a rolling pin, anything that you can really get your hands on that is going to help you. Get all of that juice out of the limes. I'm going to add a little bit of pre-squeezed lime juice as well, just a touch, just to make sure you get that lime flavour coming through, which you'll always want in a mojito. Once again, sugar syrup can be made at home, half and half, 500 ml of sugar, 500 ml of boiling water, give it a stir. Add in your sugar syrup. Once again, about 25 ml, but if you're at home and you can't measure it, not a problem. The sweeter you want it, just add more in. And then, massive ingredient for a mojito is the mint. You will always see a bartender get a handful of mint, give it a slap, breaks all of the veins within the mint, releases all the flavour. So I'm going to add that in there. Next, crushed ice is usually better for making mojitos, but you can use cubed at home. So I've got most of my ingredients in there, no alcohol today, so I'm going to add apple juice into it and give it a nice fresh apple flavour. Add in my apple. Leave a little bit of room at the top, because now what I'm going to do is give it a good stir with a long bar spoon. Any spoon at home can do. You want to make sure all of that mint, apple, the lime, the sugars brought all the way through the cocktail, so you've got an equal flavour throughout. I'm going to top that up with crushed ice. So now what you can do once you've tasted it, if it's too sweet, add a bit more lime. If it's a bit sour, add a bit more of your sugar syrup in. I'm going to add my straw. Top it up with a little bit of lemonade just for a bit of extra flavour if you've got some. Soda water will do as well. Add in my garnish to make it look pretty. So we've got a bit of mint, a lime wedge, served to the customer.